Hi everyone, today this is how my mommy did this quarantine hairstyle.
Keep turning. Hey everyone and welcome. My name is Nikki. It has been a long time coming. I know it's literally been a whole year at this point, I think, since I last uploaded a hair tutorial for my daughter. Life just took a whole turn, things happen. But however, we are back and hopefully much better. I'm trying this YouTube all over again. Anyways, if you are new, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in after such a long time. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. As she said, I'm going to give you the how-to on this quarantine look. I think it's super cute, super quick, and efficient. It gets the job done. Okay, so I am going to be quiet throughout the video and just let you guys watch because I don't think there's much explaining that I need to do in this video. If I'm wrong towards the end or you're just not getting something, go ahead and stop and leave me a comment and I will take your feedback highly. Like if I do need to run my mouth throughout the whole video, let me know that. If I was unclear, let me know that. Just give me your feedback. If you just want to say hi, say hi. I will say hi back. I respond. But throughout this quarantine, I have not been using gels in her hair at all. I don't use gels typically anyway, but if we are going somewhere, I will put gel on her around her perimeter, her edges and stuff. But because we have been in quarantine, I don't think I've used gel on her hair at all. I've only been using hair moisturizers, leave-in conditioners, oils, natural stuff. I like that type of stuff. So that's what I've been using on her hair. But today we're going to get a little bit fancier. I have been doing a lot of 1 ponytails, 2 ponytails, and 4 ponytails in her hair during quarantine. But for the sake of the video, because I promised in my last video that I would bring back another hair tutorial, I am making it a little bit more fancy for you guys. So I really hope you enjoy this. And yeah. Hey y'all, I feel so bad for my baby. Allergies are tearing her up this season, and my son as well, and myself. Allergies are just hitting us hard, man. So that is the reasoning for her rubbing her eyes like crazy in this video. No, she's not sad or, I don't know. I don't know what crazy things people can think up. However, it is just allergies. Her eyes are what gets attacked most. And in the early morning, she's complaining about her throat is so itchy and her nose. But yeah, it's just allergies. Okay, so I am going to do this part in slow-mo in hopes of you being able to really kind of pay attention and see how I attach the rubber band at the very end, just so that all the beads are secure. And whenever I do this, I never lose knocker balls or hair beads. So yeah, I think it's a really good method because it doesn't rip her hair out, nor do we lose any hair products or hair accessories, I should say. Let me know what you guys call knocker balls. Do you call them hair ballies, knocker balls, just balls? What do you call them? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you call those.
Like the video.
Till next time.
Until next time.
Bye.